1 year ago, I had zero experience. Today, I'm a certified medical record specialist making $30 an hour from home. Here's exactly how I did it. So there I was, sitting at my kitchen table at 11:47 p.m., surrounded by crayon drawings, a half-eaten grilled cheese sandwich, and approximately 4,000 Cheerios that had somehow escaped from their bowl. My youngest was finally asleep. My brain was fried, and I was Googling, for the 100th time, how to make money from home with no degree, no experience, and no childcare. Sound familiar? I had been a stay-at-home mom for 6 years. 6 beautiful, exhausting, identity-blurring years. And I loved it, truly. But I also needed something that was mine, something that paid, something that didn't end in a juice box explosion. Then I stumbled across 2 words that changed everything: medical record specialist. I had never heard of it. I didn't work in healthcare. My medical experience was basically Googling symptoms at midnight and convincing myself I had rare tropical diseases. But I kept seeing this job pop up. Remote, entry-level, steady pay, flexible hours. I thought, okay, let me actually look into this. Here's what I found out. Medical records specialists, also called health information clerks or medical records technicians, organize and manage patient health information. They review records for completeness, process requests for records, and maintain databases. It's detail-oriented work. It's important work. And a huge portion of these jobs are done fully remote. The path in, surprisingly accessible. Many employers hire with just a high school diploma and a short certification. I found an online program through my community college, RHIT prep courses, medical terminology basics, HIPAA training. Some programs are as short as 4 to 6 months. I studied during nap times, after bedtime, and honestly, sometimes during Bluey episodes. Don't judge me. Now here's where I have to tell you something important, and I say this with love. When you decide to go back to work or study while parenting small children, the stress is real, like physically real. I started waking up at 3 a.m. with my mind racing. I was exhausted but couldn't sleep. My shoulders were up around my ears constantly. I was snapping at my kids over nothing, and I felt terrible about it. A friend of mine, also a work-from-home mom, bless her, slid me a recommendation like it was classified information. She said, "Girl, magnesium glycinate, order it tonight." I rolled my eyes. Then I ordered it. Magnesium glycinate is a form of magnesium that's known for supporting relaxation, sleep quality, and helping your body manage stress without making you feel groggy or weird. It's not a magic pill. It's not going to write your resume or watch your toddler. But within about 2 weeks, I noticed I was actually sleeping. Real sleep. And the 3 a.m. spiral sessions. Quieter. Much quieter. I've linked the one I use in the description below. It's on Amazon, it's affordable, and it's become a permanent part of my nighttime routine. Especially on the hard nights. Especially during the what am I even doing nights. Highly recommend. Okay, back to the journey. After completing my medical terminology and records management coursework, I built a simple resume highlighting my organizational skills from managing our household, volunteer work I'd done at a school, and my new certifications. I applied to about 20 remote positions over 6 weeks. I got 3 interviews. I accepted 1 offer, fully remote, part-time to start, with the option to go full-time. Health information clerk in a small medical practice that used a cloud-based record system, which meant all I needed was my laptop, my login, and a quiet corner of my house. My kitchen table finally had a purpose beyond crayon art and Cheerio disasters. If you're a stay-at-home parent wondering if there's a path back, it might be weird and slow and accompanied by a magnesium supplement and several emotional breakdowns. But it's there. Start researching medical record certifications. Check remote job boards like FlexJobs and Indeed. Take it 1 nap time at a time. You've got this. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute financial or medical advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines or financial planning.